Good morning, everyone. Guys, if you have a look at this chart over here, you'll see exactly what has happened to Bitcoin. It's busy going, it's busy going up. It's on a bullish trend. Have a look at your charts over here. It jumped, it jumped a lot from last night. So if you had a bit of money in your exchange wallet, you would have made a bit of money, especially if you traded Tether and USD. I think you would have made a bit of money. So, guys, basically what I want to tell you is I know there's a lot of guys out there that hold Bitcoin. We all know it's a very, very good investment. It's the evolution of money, and it's going nowhere. We know as soon as Bitcoin um, lists on a stock exchange, let's say the New York Stock Exchange, what's going to happen to it? We can all make predictions and say, it's going to twofold, it's going to fivefold. Personally, I believe it's going to fivefold or tenfold. So it's one hell of an investment, and I know most of you out there also enjoy this. So, guys, if you want to take advantage of, Bitcoin and trading with Bitcoin, we all know, when you trade yourself, there's always an element of risk. No one can predict the markets. We don't know what the market's going to do today, tomorrow. There's indicators. You can be successful, but it takes years. So what I want to show you guys is I've discovered a company, extremely legitimate company. They trade with auto bots. So these bots, the software they utilize, there's three bots. I'm going to show you guys quickly. I'm going to head over to the site. The company's name is Crypto World Evolution. This is what their main page looks like. And I've been using their bots to trade for a couple of weeks now, and I've actually experienced extremely good results. What I like about their bots, this is their website. What I like about their bots is you can leave the software to auto trade for you once you've selected your coins. By default, these bots select coins for you and they auto trade for you. So you don't need to be a expert trader. You don't have to sit in front of your laptop all day and look at the markets, look at your trades. You can basically leave them to auto trade. So what I've done here is I've purchased their Trade 8 package. It's a $2,000 pack, which gives me a trading volume of 10,000 US per day. That's enough. That's about 100,000 Rand. That's a lot of money, but probably a bit more, 120, 130, depending on the exchange. So these are the products they have on offer, and currently what I utilize is their HPSI bot. This is a fully automatic bot that selects coins based on algorithms that they've programmed into the software, and it uses 12 triggers to initiate and execute your trades. It's amazing software. And then I know this bot basically buys low and sells high, but they've got a new bot launching very, very soon. I think it's probably by the end of the month. It's called the HPSI Pro, and this bot buys and sells. So think about it. Your trades will aggressively open and close. I'm very excited about this one. So that's launching very soon, and then you've got a win-win bot here. As far as I know, this bot actually trades Bitcoin and Tether. So it's basically Bitcoin and the USD. So if you had access to this bot at this stage with Bitcoin skyrocketing like this, I think you would have made a lot of money depending on your trading volume. And now what I've got to tell you guys about CWE, the fact that your money stays in Binance. So let's say you use Binance like I do as a exchange to keep my crypto and my crypto portfolio. I would have. I would say it's the safest way to go because CWE does not have access to your funds. Think about it that way. They don't have access to your funds. They use an API key. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in here and I'm going to show you guys. Unfortunately, I cannot show you my trades. It's against company policy. So I'm going to quickly log in here. This is my joint profile with my wife. Quickly log in here for you, Oaks. Okay, why is my internet so slow? Okay, there we go. Okay, so this is your back office. This is what it looks like. Look, this is an amazing company. Have a look there. I've earned today 25 PV. This is now on their binary and their matrix because you don't only trade with this company, you earn on multiple levels. I think there's 5 income levels. So one is your trading side. So I'm going to click on the trading center now. One is your trading. There's a binary, there's a matrix, a trading matrix. Fantastic company, you guys, fantastic. So again, remember it's safe. That's what I like about it. That's the reason why I'm making this video, because there's so much software out there and all of them are useless. Most of them, in my opinion. I'm not going to mention any names. Okay, what I'm going to quickly show you is here's a new hybrid, for instance, the hybrid bot that I trade with. So based on signals that the company will send you, I'm going to select Binance. That's who I use. And then my API key, because your software uses an API key to initiate and execute your trades. It's safe. Your money never leaves your Binance account. For instance, this morning I had a signal on power. I did not initiate the trade because I didn't have time. Because I've got a small little boy and he's very busy. So okay. So I've opened the chart here. I'm going to go to a 30-minute chart. So basically this morning we received a signal somewhere here. So if you initiated that trade, it would have probably closed around here. Okay guys, so just think about this. This is powerful software, but this is a more advanced robot where you initiate your trade yourself. So based on the signals you get and the market conditions, you'll initiate the trade and it'll close here more or less. It would have closed there more or less because as soon as your trade picks up and it comes down, it should have closed around about there, for instance. That's an example. So what you can do then now is you put a value. Let's say you want to invest 0.05 in the robot. You can set your stop profit to, let's say, 4%, because the markets aren't doing that good, but not too bad. And then you can basically add that hybrid. You can add that bot, and it'll auto trade for you. So what you can do as well is you can utilize their fully automatic HPSI bot. Yesterday I opened these 2 bots and they have made about $40 for me. I'm not going to go into the actual trades for you because it's against company policy, like I mentioned. And then what I need to mention as well, if you look at Crypto World Evolution, this company is completely compliant, which is very important. If you look at Randy Case here, he's their chief compliance officer, which he'll guarantee you that CW is compliant in every country in the world where they are currently active. I know they are active in over 92 countries in the world. I'm speaking under correction. I think there's more countries involved now. So just to give you an idea, I've been actively busy with CWE. I'm very happy with their software. I'm doing extremely well, and I would urge anyone that has ever lost any money in crypto scams, that type of thing, start trading with these bots. Use their software. It is freaking amazing. And what I can tell you is, as soon as this new bot comes out, which trades up and down, so it basically buys and sells, I think our trades will do a lot better. Obviously, depending on the volume that you have in your trading account, will make a big difference. There's the actual performance for this month. there's all the stats, a few testimonials and so forth. So basically, guys, that's it. I'm going to wrap up this video with my earnings that I've made so far. I've made on their comp plan. They've got one of the best comp plans in the business. It's a 4-stage income. I've made 6,125 PV. One PV is equivalent to $1. And then just to show you a bit of comp that I've made there on my on my binary tree. Amazing. So yeah, guys, I'm extremely happy with this company. This company is legit. They are growing with a hell of a speed. I'm going to show you here on their stats here. I'm in South Africa, so when I joined the company, I think there was about 800 people. In a matter of a couple of weeks, jumped up to 1,171. In the US is about 4,000, Canada 575. Well, there's the US again, 421, and I think China's the leaders. They've got about 5,477, and that amount that's growing every day. Australia's also growing. Namibia basically had no users like a month ago. Botswana as well. So, guys, it shows you, are people actually sort of getting the big picture here. They know CWE is extremely reliable, and the fact that they don't utilize your money in let's say their own exchange. Your money stays in your exchange, and you utilize their software to trade. And then what I'm going to show you guys as well, I'm going to post my ISP link at the bottom of this video. So if you are interested to utilize these bots like I have with great success, I would strongly advise you to buy these bots. Start with CWE. If you only want to trade, you can only trade. If you don't want to only trade and you want to be part of the business side of this, have a look at their compensation plan. I think that's there by documentation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send you 2 links. I'm going to send you my direct referral link. Once you sign up over there, you've got access to the website. You basically you look at their policies and procedures. You just click over there, and then you'll have full access to the website. What I'll do as well is I'll post my personal website link, so you can go up and have a look at that as well, to see exactly what CWE is all about. So guys, I hope all of you have a fantastic day, and I would strongly advise you to use CWE's software to build a coin portfolio and make yourself a lot of money. And then remember, they've got an amazing compensation plan. CWE offers a 5-way income, or 5-step income. So one is your trading, one is your binary, one is your matrix, one is your software sales, and then your company earnings as well, guys. But all that information is on the website. Have a look, and I'm going to also leave my WhatsApp on the bottom of the video, with my ISP link that I've just copied here. And so guys, if you're interested, give me a shout. Get in contact with me on WhatsApp, or what I'll do is I'll post a Telegram group there as well. Speak to some of the prospects on the site, and that's basically a no-brainer. If you look at the results that you get offered with CWE, I would say it's a go. Anyway, guys, that's just done knocking off. I'll speak to all of you a bit later. I'm going to post a new video to show everyone how to configure their API keys, and how to purchase the software, and I'll post a few videos. Anyway, guys, take care, and see you later.